All right, Marcelo, let's see who'll be joining us for the New York Day Trader Meetup. Spin that wheel.
Let's run it, brother. Let's
Who's
see.
going to be joining us on the New York Stock Exchange? The winner is
Yeah,
Jorge Morales. Jorge, you are the winner.
bro, that's Jorge from the chat room.
Congratulations.
This is the Jorge from the chat room.
Really?
Yeah,
So, well, you mean George. I say George.
yeah, this is George.
Holy smokes. Wow. George, congratulations, man. It looks like
Oh
you will be joining us
my
to New York City and you will be
God.
attending all the beautiful seminars and, of course, taking a trip onto the stock exchange.
Jorge, congratulations, bro. We're going to be reaching out to you straight via the chat room to set you up with the flight, set you up with everything so that you can enjoy this absolute awesome prize. Congratulations, my man. Everybody that participated, congratulations as well. I'm sad to see that you didn't win, but at least I hope that you find a lot of value within the MMU curriculum. Jorge, let's do it.
Man, you know what's so crazy is that Jorge has also been one of those students that's been pretty active, working hard. I did a few sessions with him. In fact, we had a conversation just a few days ago talking about taxes and the wash sales. So, congratulations, man. I mean, this is quite insane. And as Marcelo said, if you didn't win, don't feel too bad. The wheel has just been growing in size. And, we have two more day trading team house meetups this year. We believe maybe August and then again November, December. So stay tuned. And again, we want to say sorry because this is a little short notice, but for sure next time there's going to be at least 2-3 weeks in advance. So you guys will be sure to see everything play out nice and well, guys. Jorge, congratulations, George. I say George. Marcelo says Jorge.
Mhm.
As you guys know, Marcelo's Spanish. I am not. So congrats, man. Way to go.
And just one last reminder, if you're just tuning in to this video today, even though the raffle has officially ended because we do have a winner, our 40 off is not expiring until midnight. So if you still want to take advantage of 40 off, utilize coupon code NYC and jump in the MME curriculum or join us for free. Essentially study up some of our strategies for free in our crash course when utilizing coupon code subscriber in MMU Silver.
Man, this is this is quite the experience, For those watching on, I can only imagine the anticipation. But again, we'll be doing it 2 more times this year. So stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more good stuff to come. We're going out to these seminars right now, but know that we are collecting data because ultimately we want to be doing our own seminars here in the Relentless Trading, Merciless Markets community. We want to do our own thing, so big things are coming soon. Stay tuned, stay locked in. Man, Marcelo, any last words?
I appreciate you watching. Leave a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next raffle.
All right, guys, take care.